Assalamu alaikum students. In today's lecture we will discuss determinant of a matrix. First we will consider a 2 cross 2 matrix, that is with 2 rows and 2 columns. Let's take an example. Suppose if we have a matrix A, that is A, B, C, D, and we want to calculate its determinant, which is denoted by these two straight bars. It will be determinant of A, B, C, D. So it's easy to remember. We will just multiply this diagonal element with this. It will be AD. Then we will place a negative by ourselves, and we will just multiply this C with B, and we will get BC. So to remember, in 2 cross 2 matrices, the determinant will be, if we have A, B, C, D, it will be AD minus BC. Let's solve another example. Suppose we have a matrix 1, 0, 2, 1, and now this is suppose matrix X, and we want to calculate X determinant. It would be 1, 0, 2, 1 determinant. So these two elements will be multiplied, and 1 1s are 1, then negative, then 2 zeros are 0, so its determinant will be 1. Now another example. Another example is 3, 2, 2, 1. Now we will multiply these elements like we did in previous example, and this will be 3. Suppose it should be bars. We cannot solve it if we have the brackets. This will be 3 1s are 3, then negative 2 2s are 4, and it will be negative 1. Okay, another example. If we have a matrix like this, and it is -1, 3, and 4, 5, and we want, this is suppose M, and we want to calculate its determinant, it will be -1, 3, 4, 5, and now if we multiply this, we will get -5, then minus, then 4 3s are 12, and we will get -17. Suppose if we have any negative value over here, like if I calculate n over here, n is 3 -1, 2, 4, suppose, and if I want to calculate n determinant, it would be something like this: 3 -1, 2, 4 determinant, and these two values will be multiplied. This will be 12, then negative, and again place a bracket over here to tackle that negative, which we will receive from the product of these two numbers. It will be positive into negative. Negative 2 1s are 2, so this will be 12 plus 2, and the answer will be 14. So this was the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. I did a lot of examples for that because I'm gonna now find determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So that was for a bit of practice, so that you may understand 2 cross 2 matrix as well, because when I'll be solving 3 cross 3 matrix, I won't be I won't be explaining much. I'll just solve that matrix with the help of these examples. Suppose if we have a matrix over here, this is 4 6 1 1, any matrix, 6 1 1, 4 3 2, and 0 1 negative 5. Suppose this is a matrix, name it, let's say this is A, and I want to calculate a determinant. It would be 6 1 1, 4 3 2, 0 1 negative 5 or -5 determinant. Now here comes a tricky part. You can solve it through any row or any column, but traditionally people solve it through first row like this. I am again in first example, I'll solve it through first row. I will take one element one by one, like here is 6, take the 6 out, then leave that row and the column, this row, and that column, and you will get 3, 2, 1, minus 5. Then the middle term, remember that the first value should be positive, then negative, then positive, and so on. And now this is the second value, so it will be negative, then 1. This negative we put it by ourselves. So okay, this is 1. If I am taking this 1, I will just leave this row and this column, and we will get 4, 0, 2, minus 5. Now this is done. Now I have consumed 2 elements of this row, and now I'm moving towards the third. So this is again positive. Now 1. Now I'm taking this 1. So we will just leave this row and this column, and we will get 4, 3, 0, 1. Now if you notice, now I have expanded 3 cross 3, and now I have 2 cross 2 matrices, and we will solve them as we have already solved in the examples, previous examples. Now this is 6, and now this will be minus 15, minus 2, this is minus 1, this will be minus 20, plus 0, oh, minus 0 you can say, doesn't matter. And here we have 1, then 4 minus 0, now we have 6. If we solve it, this is minus 17, this is minus 1 into minus 20, plus this is 1 times 4. And if I open up these brackets, this will be 2 and 102, I think, I'm not sure. This is now plus 20, and this is plus 4. And if we just add them, this will be 82 plus 4, and this will be minus 78. So this is our required determinant of a determinant, and this is how we solve 3 cross 3 matrices. And up to this lecture, and this is the end, and we will discuss 4 cross 4 matrices or any other few other examples in next lecture, inshallah.